Alright, this is my new addition to my little cultivating tractor. I took my Covington planter and I mounted it in the middle of it to where that I can plant with it, and all my rows will be the right distance apart. There's my planter box, the fertilizer box, cylinders that raise and lower it. Any of you that haven't seen my little tractor, I'll back out a little bit and show you what it looks like. It's got all hydraulics in the front, and the back lifts are separate. Little tires, the steering, power steering in the front, and this is my idea of what the Model G Allis Chalmers was. And so this is kind of what my idea of what it should look, or my idea of what I made. And so here